So today we are making this weird animation in geometry nodes in Blender. Let's go to render view. Now looking cool. Open a new file, go to geometry node workspace and replace our cube with grid. It's secret. You can't tell anyone that we used grid for this. Now increase the size and vertices of the grid, add extrude mesh node and plug the grid, add a scale element node and scale everything to 0.5. We need a color ramp. Type in there. Oh no. Let's try one more time. Oh, I actually forgot. I have Alt C as a shortcut. If you want, you can assign 2 by right clicking on the color ramp in a menu. Now add a noise texture and plug it into the color ramp and nothing's happened. Let's slide the sliders. Okay, this is going weird now. What we need to do is make it as cool as possible. So change this to 4D and voila, we got something to animate it. Let's add a driver, hash frame divided by 100. There you go. Press play and it's playing. Now divide even with higher number, 300. Cool. This this is slow. This slow down the animation. I try even higher, like 350 or so, and this is looking okay. Now play with the color ramp as you want it and make it more weird if you want to. I like this one. Let's add a material. Search for set material and add it here and choose default material. Now switch this window to shader editor, adjust it, and we have some space to work. Now add emission shader. If you are no rectangular, enable control shift drag to get a mix shader. Now add a metallic value and make it gray. Add a Warner texture, add a color ramp and scale everything. Change this from Euclidean to Chebyshev and add another stop by pressing this plus icon and play with the values as you like. Switch this so we can get some area to emissive, and I want it warm, so I made this orange. Now increase the strength. Add noise texture into the roughness, or roughness into the noise texture, whatever you want. Add a color ramp, scale this. It's looking not so good, but we will make it cool. Now hit Control T with noise texture selected to get a mapping and coordinate node. Change this from UV to object and scale this so it's look nice. We need some bump, and I'm adjusting the color ramp and go to the world and make it dark. Change this point light to area light, point it from right, and then duplicate it with Alt T and point it from the left also. This is looking crazy. Okay, I animated the Voronoi also with the hash frame and divided by 100 and 300, whatever you like. I want it to look slow, so I just slow down the animation in the geometry node also and in the Voronoi texture. Now this is looking cool. There you go. You can make it as cool as you want it. Just adjust the lighting, make it more cinematic looking, slow down the animation, increase the light strength, increase the orange lighting strength, play with the color ramps for great roughness, and with final adjustment we have something like this. There you go. If you like my video, please consider subscribing and like, share, comment. If you want some help, I'm ready to help you guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.